That is true. I was pissed on because somebody.
Oh, there you go. You're always assuming it's a guy. You've got some weird problems, man.
Well, that's true. If it's some chick, I think it's
No.
Wait a minute.
Not at all. Shut up, short bus.
Nobody said you could speak.
She's got a gun. I mean, I did arm her.
No?
Don't fuck with me, man. She'd be like, sit your $5 ass down for a
That one from somebody.
I kind of knew that one was
Ooh. That's between me and you. Oh, come on now.
I thought he was going to kill the preppy dude in the eclipse today.
What's that?
I thought he was going to kill the preppy dude in the eclipse today.
Oh my fucking god, no shit.
You okay?
No. I heard.
Baby, I'm sorry.
I do too.
We've been riding long and hard the last 2 days. I mean,
Sorry.
Well, because I have to get it all in because I can't get on the bike and it's... Like I'm done.
Why you gotta be done?
Because I'll be pregnant. Like,
pregnant.
I'll be pregnant. Oh,
you'd
like
be too pregnant to ride.
7, 8, 9 months pregnant. It's a risk riding with tattoo. Pregnant.
There you go. There, I got it now.
There was a couple times the fucking...
It's pretty weird.
It's already happened.
Shut
That
up.
wasn't funny.
You can go. I won't argue with you.
Oh, that was sick.
I know.
And the green part is done. Well,
Well, I've got to go back in and
Almost.
put another layer of shading over it, but for all practical intents and purposes, yeah, it's done.